Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we discuss about printing in Excel. It is little bit technical, especially when data is high and the problem is adjustment in a paper. So let's dive in. So there is a data, there is Excel sheet, and we want to print this sheet, and the columns are more than the width of paper. So first of all we choose the file option, then print, and here is a print preview, and we can see easily even in landscape mode our column is not properly fitting because this is a student address, and in sheet of this is student address and tehsil or city name student mobile. This is out of the sheet. If you see, there is a dotted line here, it is the margin of printing, and these two columns are out of printing range, so that is a problem. So again we choose the file option, print, and here is print preview. So the professional way is that if I manage this with an proper option, not like that. If I do this type of manually things, but actually we should use the file print option, and in print page setup, and page setup is already landscape, and adjust to, this is actual thing which I want to tell you, adjust to 100%. I'm 95%. Okay, one column adjust, again page setup, and adjust to again 90%. Okay, then we need more, 85. Okay, so now our problem is solved. All columns are shown in the width of our paper, and we set also the margins, page setup. These are the margins, top margin. For more data you can adjust, but if you need, then left and right. Okay, so there is our margin setting, but here is more, and we again page setup, margin, and left, and no, it's okay now. So but there is a one problem when we scroll our data here, and even when you print out, after the printing you will miss one thing here, the data labels. You see in page 3, so in page 3 there is no data labels. Even in page 2 there is no data labels. Data labels mean name, roll number, subject, course, program. These are the data label. And when the second paper print. So the data we will see without the data labels. So now we should maintain this thing. So now we choose the option here, page layout. In page layout, here is the option print titles. Click here, click on print titles. Raw to repeat at top. Here is, click here and then choose the raw. Click over the raw which you want to repeat on each page, and in this here is our data labels. So OK, then again file, print, and there is print preview, and down this is our second page. You see, this is our second page, and next this is our third page. Now each page has data labels on the top of each page. So in this way our printing is more professional than without this thing. So there is another thing. If you have the requirement, there is no border lines. If you want to maintain the border lines, Control A, Shift All, Home, and here is border line. Click all borders and file, print. So that's look more good that the grid lines or column and row lines appear in our printing, and in this way we can easily sort out or help to see our data properly. So another thing we can manage here, the page number. So in header and footer option, click header. You can choose header, click here. There's also page number option, but I will put in footer option, and this format. Click here, OK, and now you will see page 1 of 3, and this is page 2 of 3, and now you will see page 3 of 3. So this is more professional. So here is the printer, a printer name Canon LBP 2900. Its driver name, or it's, you may say, the printer name. Click here and choose the proper printer which is attached your computer, and now a number of copies, 1, 2, which you need, and now you can press button print. The printer will be start. I do hope you will understand the procedure of printing in Excel, especially when the data is huge or columns are more and we have to adjust in single paper. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel and press bell icon so that you get proper new videos. And in case of any difficulties or any question, I will appreciate you if you ask me in the comments box. Thank you very much.